Hello everyone. So today's I will tell you the next master short trick formula based on the topic the clock alignment problems in your competitive exam. To solve these questions very quickly, we have one master short trick formula. Okay, so let's start with the one by one when to apply this trick. That is the first important step. So whenever in the question it is given two different clocks are running at this different speeds. So both the clock are synchronized at the exact same timing, okay, at the exact same starting time. So the question is when they will display the same time next. Okay. So to find out when after how many days or how much time it will identical, the time is same. So to find out the time only, we will use this formula short trick 720 divided by net relative gap. Okay, net relative gap per day. This is very important. Net relative gap per day in minutes. Okay. Look at some basic rule. So if one clock gains some time and other clock loses that time, okay, in that case we have to add the daily rates. And the second rule is if both the clocks gain or both loses some time, in that case we have to subtract the daily rates. Okay. So the formula is very simple: 720 divided by relative gap. If the both the clock gain or lose, then in that case we have to subtract. If it is opposite, one is gaining, one is losing, in that case we have to add the daily rates. So look at the example first. So the first problem is a wall clock gains 2 minutes in 12 hours while table clock loses 2 minutes in 36 hours. Okay, so two clocks are given. One clock is gaining 2 minutes in 12 hours and other clock is loses 2 minutes in 36 hours. Both the clock are set right at 12 noon on Tuesday. So the correct time when both show the same time next would be. Okay, so we have to find out the time. So we have to first of all find out the rates per day. So per day means one day means what? One day means 24 hours. Okay. So we have to set the rate in per day. That means 24 hours. So first clock that 2 minute in 12 hours. Okay. So 12 hours means half day. We want the full day. So 2 minutes in 12 hours. That means in 24 hours. How many minutes? 4. 2 minute mean 12 hours. That means 4 minute in 24 hours. So this is for the first clock. Now second clock closes 2 minutes in every 36 hours. Okay, 2 minutes in 36 hours. But we want the gap in one day. That means 24 hours. So how much minute in 24 hours that we have to find out. Okay, here we have converted 2 minute in 12 hours which is given. So 4 minute in 24 hours, that is direct. But in the second clock it is given 2 minute in 36 hours. So how much minute in 24 hours that we have to find out. So if we do the cross multiplication, okay, to find out this minute, so x multiplied by 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 24. So x will be is equal to 2 into 24 upon 36. Okay, so if we cancel out 18 2s are, then 8 4s are, and 8 3s are. So we'll get 4 by 3. Okay, 6 4s are, 6 3s are. So 4 by 3 minute per day. Okay, so first clock is nothing but gains 4 minute per day and second clock loses 4 by 3 minute per day. Okay, so one clock gains, second clock loses, so the net gap we have to add. Okay, so total rate gap rate is nothing but 4 plus 4 by 3. So if we do the cross multiplication here, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 4 which is 16 upon 3. Okay, so our formula is simple: 720 divided by total rate between that two clocks. So total rate is what? 16 by 3. So if we divide 16 upon 3, so upon 3 will go in the numerator. Okay, so if we cancel out this 16 and this will be 45, so 45 into 3, so if we multiply 45 into 3 we will get 135. Okay, 3 5 is 15, so last digit is 5. So we have only one option, is last digit is 5, which is 135. Okay, so after 135 days both the clock will show exact the same time. Look at the next type of problem. A digital clock gains 5 minutes in every 24 hours. So 24 hours means one day. So directly it is given. So first clock 5 minutes per day. Second clock loses 3 minutes in every 24 hours. So that is 24 hour already given. That means 3 minute loses per day. Okay. So both the gain and losses are given across means one day. So directly we have to just add because one clock is gaining and second clock is loses. So 5 plus 3, so total rate is 8. So apply our short formula. Time required, okay, after how many days they will show the same time again. So we have to find out the time. So 720 divided by net rate, which is 8. Okay, so 8 9 is 72, 1 0 is remaining. So after 90 days they will show exact same time. Look at the one problem in which we have to subtract. Okay, so when we have to subtract when the direction is same, for example both are gaining or both are losing. So a clock A gains 4 minutes in every 12 hours. Okay, so we have to make it into 24 hours to make it per day. So 4 minutes in 12 hours. So how many minutes in 24 hours? Just double it because 12 2s are 24, so 4 2s are 8. So 8 minutes in 24 hours. That means 8 minutes per day. Then second clock B gains. Okay, so both the clocks gaining. So second clock B gains 2 minutes in every 24 hours. So here already 24 hours. That means 2 minutes per day. Okay, so both are gaining, so we have to subtract the rate. So 8 minus 2, so net rate is 8 minus 2, which is 6. So apply our formula 720 upon net rate, which is 6. Okay, so if we divide, we'll get 120 days. Okay, 12 6 are 72, 10 will remain. So 120 days, after 120 days both the clock display identical times. Okay, so this is a short trick. If you like this trick, then share with your friend. Thank you.